Hello student, today here we will discuss about the population chapter 6 from geography of class 9th. This part of video covers the subtopic population, size and distribution. First we know about the learning outcomes of the chapter knowledge. Students will learn about the distribution and size of the population, understand and occupational structure, sex ratio, national population policy, literacy rate, migration, skills. Students will critically think why we need to study population and its distribution. Students would be able to enhance their creativity by creating mind map for entire chapter. Students would be able to enhance their communication skill by doing group work on people of India. Why do we need to study population? Population is a pivotal element in social studies. It is the point of reference from which all other elements are observed and from which they derive significance and meaning. Resources, calamities and disasters are all meaningful only in relation to human beings. Their numbers, distribution, growth and characteristics or qualities provide the basic background for understanding and appreciating all aspects of the environment. In this chapter, first of all, we will know about what is the population. The number of people who live in a particular area, city or country, that is called the population. It means a number of people live in India called population of India. Then question arise here, what is the population of India? Then population of India according to census 2011 1,210,193,422. In the context of area, India having 7th place. Its area 3.28 million square kilometer. According to population, India having 2nd place after China in the world. Question arise here, how can we know about the population? We know about the population through census. The census of India provides us with information regarding the population of our country. Question arises here, what do you mean by census? A census is an official enumeration of population done periodically. In India, the first census was held in the year 1872, but it was incomplete census. The first complete census, however, was taken in the year 1881. Census have been held regularly every 10th year in India. The Indian census is the most comprehensive source of demography, social and economic data. In this chapter, we will discuss the 3 major points of population in this. First of all, population size and distribution refers to how many people are there and where they are located. Second, population growth and process of population change refers how has the population grown and changed through time. Third, characteristics or qualities of the population. What are their age, sex, composition, literacy levels, occupational structure and health conditions. We know about the population size and distribution by two methods. First method is numbers. India's population as on 2011 stood 1,210 million, which account for 17.5% of the world's population. We know that India having second position in the world in their population. These 1.21 billion people are unevenly distributed over our country's vast area of 3.28 million square kilometers, which accounts for 2.4% of the world's area. We know that India having 7th position in the world according to their area. According to census data, Uttar Pradesh having largest population. So Uttar Pradesh called the most populous states of India. We can know about the distribution of population through graph. In this graph, almost half of the India's population live in just 5 states: Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. And most populous state Uttar Pradesh, least populous state Sikkim, most populous Union Territories Delhi, and least populous Union Territories Lakshadweep. Rajasthan is the biggest state according to area, but only 5.5% of the total population live there. Second method, we know about the population size and distribution by density. Population density is calculated as the number of persons per unit area. We can calculate the population density through this method: total population divided by total area. Question arises here: what is the population density of India? Population density of India in the year 2011 was 382 persons per square kilometer. Then India is one of the most densely populated countries of the world after Bangladesh and Japan. But in India, population density varies from a state to a state. We can take an example from Bihar, here 1,102 persons per square kilometer live in Bihar, but in Arunachal Pradesh only 17% persons per square kilometer lived. We can better understand density of population varies from state to state through this map. We can see that 501 and above person per square kilometer live Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Kerala. 251 to 500 person per square kilometer live here: Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Punjab. 101 to 250 persons per square kilometer live here: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Assam, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. 100 and below persons per square kilometer live Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. After a study of this map, We can say that population of India distributed unevenly all over the country. Question arise here, what are the reasons for uneven distribution of population in the country and which factor influenced of the distribution of population in the country? Now we know about the factors influenced population densities. We can divide this factor in two groups, physical factors and human factors. Physical factors related to nature. First of all, physical factor is nature of the terrain. Some areas refers to rocky relief features, for example Himalaya, peninsular India. But some areas refers to plain relief features, example northern plains of India. People prefer to live in plain areas comparatively than hilly or rocky areas. Amount of rainfall also affect the distribution of population. And third one is fertility of soil. Fertility of soil highly affected the distribution of population. People prefer to live in fertile plain areas comparatively than hilly or rocky areas. Climate also affects the distribution of population. People prefer to pleasant climate places comparatively than extreme climatic conditions areas. Urbanization and industrialization also affect the distribution of population. For example, big cities having largest population due to this factor. Some assignments are given here based on this part of the chapter. Question first. What could be the reason of uneven distribution of the population in India? Second, how is population information helpful to the government? Third one, find out which state having highest and lowest population density. That's all for this part. We will discuss next part of the chapter in next video. Thank you.